Moving on to the South Central Plains and the desert Southwest here. I'm going to cover the West Coast last. It includes the Pacific Northwest. So temperatures this evening and the afternoon reach the 90s here. Out here, parts of Mexico, Arizona, close to 100 degrees here. Apparent temperature actually cooler than that. So because the relative humidity dew points are much lower. All right, so we'll just go with the temperatures here. Cooling off somewhat overnight, right? And warming up really quickly here with hotter temperatures on Sunday in the evening, approaching 100 degrees in the desert Southwest and parts of Southern California, and in the favored areas that are closer to the desert here as well. 70s and 80s, all the way up into parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, and Texas. Apparent temperature, humidity building down here. See, near 90 degrees now for apparent temperature. Somebody keep it on that, okay? Go through Monday. Monday looks to be pretty hot as well, with especially along the Gulf Coast where the moisture is greatest here. Your apparent temperature is reaching 90-some degrees, maybe 95. Matamayos here. This is 5 p.m. on Monday. So if you live down in this area, I would go to the beach, hang out there. So let's look at the precip here. All right, so to start off with, we have these precip moving through parts of Oklahoma and southern Texas in the afternoon hours today. I will push to the east here. But what you see, this just kind of hangs out here in the overnight hours. So a lot of storms still ongoing here, parts of Texas, Arkansas, most of the activity along the Gulf Coast, okay? Those line of storms really get kicking here in the morning hours. Two different distinct line of storms again move along the Gulf Coast. And then we have some storms maybe developing on Sunday night here in parts of Kansas. But overall, not much going on down here in Texas or otherwise, right? Sunday, most of the activity into Monday is relegated to the southeast and the deep south, parts of Dixie Alley. What looks like maybe a mid-level feature moving through the flow here in the desert southwest, which we could bring some severe weather here, right? And we have a system moving in now on Monday out here that could bring some rainfall in the afternoon and evening hours to the west here in the deserts, the higher terrain here. So we'll have to see how this plays out, but overall, the first couple of days looks to be pretty busy in different areas along the coast. And then let's review. All right, we have the moisture and stuff moving through the east along the coast there. And then maybe some severe weather up here in Kansas in the morning hours. And I don't think for most people, with the exception if you live in this area here, you're going to see much precip on Memorial Day here. Most activity up to the north, Oklahoma, into Kansas, and funny enough, a lot of Colorado here. So I'm going to be out there on Monday, so we'll see what happens.